The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Go to record that blood clot.
Watch out!
Police
Oh, police!
Ross, God, the police
Watch
warning.
out!
Ross, gunshot might start fire. Hey, don't go
Everton. Oh, come here, so what the hell are going? Exactly. Hey, whoa, don't go, Everton.
All this one, man. The police are telling me to calm down.
Everton, please, no, pepper spray. Wind up the window, you love excitement, Everton.
Come here, wonder what a taxi man there doing.
Jesus Christ, please.
Driver, just calm down. Just calm down.
Watch out!
Alright, viewers and subscribers, so the video that I just present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is said on social media that this is a taxi man running from the law. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to point out that when I look at the car, you can see the stripe thing on the side that is of a taxi that is in Jamaica, you know what I mean? And when I hear that the taxi running from the law, the taxi man running from the law, I thought it was a car chase or something like that. And then upon realizing by looking at the video, you know, I mean, it is not about the car chase, even if there was a car chase, right? Because this video is very short, you know what I mean? And it's about the fact that the man run, you know what I mean? So it's like a pond within that whole description of the video that was out on social media. So what I'm saying to you, I want to point it out that running from the law is not a good thing. You understand? Because you know, the situation might be a bad situation. However, running from the law can make the situation worse. Alright? So don't do that. So viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think, as this video is out on social media creating somewhat of a little buzz. You know what I mean, viewers and subscribers? Now again, I said it looks like it is a taxi man due to the fact that the car has the stripe on it with the taxi thing, like it said on social media. But like I said, you can tell me what you think, if it's a taxi man or what, you know. Alright, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, here is where I leave it, and you don't know me there to keep you up to date and posted. Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno, big up on yourself. You see?